All right, the move command. The move command is in your modify panel. That makes sense because what you're doing is you're taking an object and you're changing it. It's already there. You're not drawing it. It's up here, modify panel, move, home tab in the panel ribbon panel. Okay, I pick move and now I want to select objects. I can create a box that goes from left to right, and it will be blue, and it will select everything in that box. Again, I can move and I could select everything from left to right from here, and only those two verticals will be selected because this line and that line extended out beyond it. Now, I am still selecting, so I could select that line. I continue to select, okay, but I discover I've made a mistake and I don't want something. So I type R for remove, okay? And now I'm removing objects to move, okay? So these things will not move. Enter, I'm done selecting objects. Select a base point to move things. Well, let's say I want to move this over 1 foot. So I could just type in 12 inches, and it will displace it 12 inches to the left, which is a foot. Now, let's say I want to move some of these things back. I can do something like this. If I ask to move again, off click, and it loads that move command again, and I pick a box that goes from right to left, so I can pick either here or there, anything that is in any part in that box will be selected. Okay. When I'm done selecting the objects, I send it to AutoCAD. It tells me, hey, I'm done doing that. I entered. My base point, well, let's say I want this to be right on top of that. Okay, because I have endpoint snap on. When I picked that endpoint, I got precisely that endpoint, and now I'm snapping it on this endpoint. You have to make sure you have those snaps on because you cannot actually physically grab those endpoints without it. You can be just a micro hair off and it can make your life absolutely miserable. So do be careful about that.